Handling an account review on DoorDash can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a guide to help you navigate through it effectively. Step 1. Understand the review process. Familiarize yourself with why DoorDash conducts account reviews. Common reasons include unusual activity, customer complaints, or policy violations. Knowing this can help you prepare your response. Step 2. Gather relevant information. Collect any necessary documentation or information related to your account. This may include order history, communication with customers, or any notifications you receive from DoorDash regarding the review. Step 3. Contact DoorDash support. Reach out to DoorDash support through the app or website. Use the help section to find the appropriate contact method. They'll explain your situation and provide any relevant information you gathered. Step 4. Be patient and responsive. After submitting your inquiry, be patient as the review process may take some time. If DoorDash requests additional information, respond promptly to avoid delays in resolving the issue. Step 5. Follow up if necessary. If you don't receive a response within a reasonable time frame, follow up with DoorDash support. Keep your communication polite and professional to maintain a good rapport. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your account review on DoorDash. Remember to stay calm and proactive throughout the process.